Hello students and welcome back to SciVerse with Adnan. Today let's understand a very simple but beautiful concept, how a tiny seed grows into a full plant. When we sow a seed in the soil and provide it with water and sunlight, the seed starts to use these resources to wake up and grow. The first part that comes out of the seed is called the rootling, which grows downward into the soil and develops into the root. After the root is established, a small shootling begins to grow upward. This shoot slowly develops into the stem. As the stem grows taller, it starts producing leaves, which can now make food for the young plant through photosynthesis. With time, the stem branches out into more and more parts, forming a bigger structure. Finally, the plant becomes an adult plant, strong and mature enough to produce flowers and eventually fruits. So, from a tiny seed using just water, sunlight, and soil, a whole new plant is born. A complete cycle of life starting with the simplest of beginnings.